market what exactly 5 year. I'm just gonna say 5 year because that's what I think it worked. In this bag, I got a toy from the flea market. Just gonna move back to the sun. Let's see if it's worth it. I paid 25 for the bag plus everything, plus with the toys. Let's see if it's worth it. So let's say the toy could be worth 5 year or 3 year. Who knows? Let's see. So, this is the toy. It comes with its spiral pin as well. Although there's a small, I got this for my daughter actually, there's a smaller version of it, so I thought it would be cool. Let's see what else. Okay. It also has this squeaky thing going up and down. It also has, I believe this is a blackboard. It also has this. I don't know what the hell that is. So, let's just say it's about 5 years. Let's just say 5 years. Is it about 5 years?